Today we have the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. I can definitely feel right here when you close it, it's a lot tighter than before on the last two Z Folds. So this is the third iteration, third version. Take a look at the specifications right here. On the front it has two cameras, so the first camera up here, that one is a better camera, forward facing, than the one in here. And what's special about this forward facing camera, it's right up here. You can barely see it. So when you turn it on, the screen changes so that you can take a picture from that. So here's the display technology, 2208 by 1768, that's on the main one. Then you have the Dynamic AMOLED 2x, HDR plus, 120 Hz, so that's nice. IPX8 rating, so that means it's waterproof up to a certain amount of time. It has the 5G built in right there, 4400 milliamp battery, and it has wireless charging this time. People want to see about the ports, so that'd be your USB-C port right here. Here is your power button, volume rocker, and then up here a speaker, another speaker down here, and then here's the camera cluster on the back. These are all 12 megapixel cameras, wide angle, telephoto, flash, and some more information about those cameras and the processor. It's an Octa-core. It's actually a Qualcomm 888. Here's some video information. You can record 4K, and it's also S Pen compatible because there's no more Galaxy Note series phones. And this one you get 256 or 512 gigs of storage and 12 gigs of RAM. And this is actually a little bit less at $17.99. They used to come in at $19.99. So here it is, the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. Okay? Okay. Is that it? Yep.